Step one, we examine the blades front and back just to be mindful of any obvious problems or issues with them before we clean and disassemble. Step two, we place the blades in our sonic cleaner with a good antibacterial detergent, and we run them for 16 minutes at 60 degrees to make sure they're perfectly clean before we disassemble and get ready for sharpening. Step three, the blades are disassembled and placed in a tray with the client's name on it also. Step four, the blades are sharpened on our shop machine we imported from the US. This is the most advanced system you can buy and only removes 1/1000th of an inch of steel off your blade on each sharpen, which means you should get between 15 to 20 resharpens on each blade on our machine. After sharpening, we rub both blades on a steel rub block, and that will give us an indication as to how well the hollow grind has been delivered on both blades. Step seven, we check under a good light and change the position of the blade to identify the rub pattern and how effective the sharpening has been. May be hard to see in this light. Step number 8, we deburr both cutter and comb blades. We start with the stainless steel brush and remove in the opposite direction of the grind, and then we swap over to the brass brush, a softer brush, to remove burr from the other side. So both sides of the blade are deburred to remove any residue, metal and debris after the initial sharpen. Step number 9 is demagnetising the blades so that when they go into their final clean, none of the residue filings or steel will remain on the blade. Step number 10, we check the spring for parallel. This is an extreme example, but it gives you an idea. Step number 11, we retension your spring before reassembly. Step number 12 is replacing any worn guides. We always double check to make sure they come back, and this also helps retain strength in the spring. Step 13, we resize your socket by crimping it back to the factory sizing. This will eliminate any rattling that you may experience with the blade on your clipper. Step 14, we reassemble all of the parts together, and with our special reconfiguration jig, put your blade back together and check the set on the blade and comb. Step 15, we check the spring tension on the blades by using our guide. It must read between 1.25 and 1.5 kilos of pressure, otherwise it will not work effectively. Step number 16 is our final test cut. We use faux fur and often rabbit pelt as well to ensure that every blade is cutting perfectly before it's sent back to you, ready for work. Step 17, we only package your blades up in cellophane wrappers. Cellophane will not sweat and create rust on your blades like plastic bags can. We sharpen and sell to groomers all over Australia and rely on Australian Express Post. A very good service you can rely on. And we hope you enjoyed our video.